Okay, guys, so here is Violin 1 from pick up to 13, that's the last two notes of 12, all the way to the first note of 20. Okay, we're going to talk about the finger patterns here. In measure 12, that C is a C sharp, so it's a nice high 3 next to a 4. Low 1 is the first note of 13. High 2, that's a red, and then back to 1. So let's pluck those 5 notes. Excellent. So here's 14. We have a rest on 1, followed by a low 1 D sharp, first position. So half position, first position. That's measure 14. Half position, first position. So now pick up to 13, last two notes of 12. Next measure, F sharp, red, 4. That's measure 15. So start with me again at pick up to 13. It's a C sharp before 13. Next measure, same sequence, low 1, red 2, 1. So that's measure 16 right there. Wait, I could be lying to you. Hold on, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I'm sorry, measure 17. Yes, 17. Low 1A, red, 2 on the A string, and then a 1. Measure 17 again. Now land next measure 4, 3, 3. So let's start again, pick up to 13. Keep going. Okay, so now we have to be very, very careful with our bowings. We're going to go ahead and stop our bow in between each measure. Okay, so it's going to look like this. First, you find your fourth finger. Make sure it's really well in tune. This one's an up bow. Again, should sound like Jaws. Now we're going to land low 1 on the D string. So low 1. Stop your bow. Okay, so now again. Cool. So let's go to measure 14 now. Measure 14 is another up bow. Low 1, green 1. So let's play that whole sequence now. This is starting pick up to 13. That's the last two notes of 12. Find that fourth finger. And you need to go ahead and mark in those bowings because as we're playing with the group, I sometimes see bows going opposite directions. So you want to make sure that you mark them for sure. And if you have any questions about those bowings, that you're asking me in class so that I can go ahead and fix them for you. All right, so that was pick up to 13 all the way to the first note of 20. Make sure you leave comments on Google Classroom. That way I know you practiced this section. Thank you.